Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add upload field in Avada form and also attach upload field as email attachment in Avada form builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada form builder and this is our multi-step form. Now go to edit form. So we are going to add upload field. So you can add upload field. Now you see, now select. So you can add field label, upload file, and then you see required. If you want, you can make it. Now you see placeholder text, tooltip text, maximum file upload size. You can set. So it's up to you. Allow multiple upload. If you want, you can enable this option. If you want, you can add icon. So it's up to you. And then click on save. Now you see upload file field added, and then we are going to attach upload file attachment as email. Now you see a water form option, and then you see notification. So we created admin notification. Now expand. In admin notification, you see option attach upload file, add uploaded file as an email attachment, enable yes, and then click on update. So when user upload file and then click on submit, then that file will also send to your email, admin email. Now post updated, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is a multi-step form. Now you see upload file section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.